welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial, with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey here and there, and a couple of travel vlogs. Let's get into this new Microlocs video. First off, you guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey! Thank you so much to each and every person that has been tuning into my Microlocs journey, or even before I did Microlocs, tuning into my mental health content. You are so appreciated. I really don't have the words. I feel like that, YouTube is finally coming together for me. And even though everybody's journey is different, I am just excited to be consistently working on bringing content to you. If you are new to my channel, I've been doing YouTube since 2018, maybe 2017. Yeah, I've been doing YouTube since 2017. Wow, it'll be 5 years. It is gonna be Ask DeAvila Sadé's 5-year anniversary in September. My goodness. Oh my God. So yeah, I've been doing this for a while. I just started off doing mental health content. I just started my Microlocs, y'all know, 10 months ago. So I've been consistently posting about that. But yes, 5 years and we finally hit 1,000. That's okay, because everybody's journey is different. Anywho, thank you so much to everyone that has been subscribing. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, as I will continue to work on bringing you more content. I know I haven't did a mental health video in a while. I'll get back to that. It just seems like, honestly, the Microlocs content does better than the mental health, and it does better than the travel vlog. So I kind of just keep my focus there. But someone did give me an idea of actually showing you like a day in the life of me as being a doctoral student, who I should be graduating in December, working on my dissertation right now, a therapist. Y'all know I do virtual therapy, and just a business owner. So what does a typical day in the life look like for me navigating all of those spaces? So I think I might do a video for that. Okay, but that's not why you're here. Right now, we're doing Microlocs. The thing is, what's happening today, y'all know that I reached 10 months. And if you looked at my last video, you saw that I actually had some holes in some of my locks. And not just, I guess, not big holes, but I had them. So I reached out to my loctician, the new one that I've been working with, and she says, because I started with 2 strand twists, and because I have been braiding my hair, y'all know when I wash my hair, I'm doing the braid and band method. I keep the braids in my hair. I just do a lot of braid out styles that could be contributing to why this is happening. So she's got me laying off doing braid outs. Y'all know that within the last month, I have stopped just braiding and banding my hair in general. Well, less than a month, but I'm going to just stop braiding and banding my hair in general. And we're going to just continue to wash my hair as a free form way of washing. If you want to update a wash day on what that looks like for me, I got you. But yeah, so today I am just going to show you how she has taught me how to repair my own locks without a tool. Now this, as far as I know, just works for people who have Microlocs that are 2 strand twist starter locks. I cannot tell you how to fix a lock with an interlock tool. I ain't there in my journey yet. But I will show you how easy and simple it's gonna be to fix the couple of twists that I have that have holes in them. So let's get into the video. First, I'm going to pin up my hair in sections and just go row by row, looking at each twist and examining each twist to see which ones need to be repaired. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are starting, and I decided to start at the front. I think typically I might just starting at the back. But we're gonna start at the front. I did find my first one, if you can see it. Right there. Yeah. So again, it's like, it's a hole, it's good, and then it gets this hole, and then it goes back to being in twist. So what we're gonna do is just kind of pull that gently apart and twist it in the direction that it is already going in. She told me I do not have to use any products for this. She said that, no, you don't need any products, just twist it. She also said she will repair them as well, but you know, your girl trying to save her coins. So, she's trying to save her coins. So we're gonna try to do this myself and hopefully we don't have any issues. And I'm gonna also try not, I know y'all probably just saw me take the little ball off the ends, and I'm gonna try not to do that because I heard that that actually may interrupt your maturing process. I'm trying to clip those little balls off. So I know y'all might have saw me pull it and I did it without thinking. I'm going to snip those out instead of do that. And then once you get to the bottom, baby, just like it was your loose natural hair. I know my fingers are all over the place. Just like it was your loose natural hair. That's it. That's it. All right, and we're gonna search throughout all of my locks, all 275 of them, and see which ones I need to repair. So just follow me along on it. So right now, I'm just feeling to see if I feel any holes in my locks. So I found another one as I was feeling. So far, it's not that many that I have to repair, so which is really good. But y'all see this again. This is a smaller hole, and you see how it is good all the way to here. Then it has this little hole, and then we have it here. So again, we're gonna try to take this out and begin. Again, this is just for if your locks have not fully matured. So mine have not fully matured yet, so it's kind of easy to start the twist over. If you find yourself feeling like you're like breaking your hair off or you seeing like significant breakage, stop what you're doing, go to a professional. I am not a professional. This is my hair, and as much as I love my hair, I'm not too bent out of shape if something were to go astray, because I know either one, I can get it repaired, or two, I can start over. So I'm not too pressed about having to, if I would ruin my hair, but I'm trying to be as gentle as I can, but you don't have to do that. So yes. And again, once we get to the end, because I still love my little curly ends, we are good. See? And there, no hole. No hole. We back to being uniformed. You want to make sure that you are going in the direction that the twist is already formed, because you don't want to unravel it any further. So just make sure you're being careful with that. Like I'm making sure I'm trying to get my twist as tight as I can. So you might see me like letting it go like that, just so I can make sure that we are getting this twist as tight as we can. Now I was thinking about braiding the ends, as I have seen some other YouTubers do, to make sure these things don't come back. But she said nah. She said nah, baby, go and twist them more. So we're gonna continue to keep them uniform. She said this will not impact the maturing process, and I hope she's right. We will see, won't we? You know, I love being the poster child for what not to do. All right, so I have done this first quarter of my hair, and I want to just show y'all the locks, because I just don't want to spend, so I don't want this video just to be super long, and I'm not going to do the rest of it on camera. I'll show y'all the end result, but let me just show y'all this section. Now y'all saw that I went in and retwisted some of them, and that's how we're looking. Like, it's such an easy repair. And I was just feeling for them, feeling for the ones that had holes in them, also inspecting, seeing how the lock looks. But now they're a little more uniformed, if you can see that. It's such an easy fix before your hair gets too far gone. All of the locks, you know, as much as you can. But it's a super simple way. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my whole head, and then I'll just come back with the end of it. Hi guys, welcome back. So it is the next day after I have fixed the holes in my locks, and it really didn't take me that long. It took me about maybe just a little bit over an hour. I didn't have a significant amount of locks to correct. I want to say that they came out good. Because I can't even pinpoint to you which ones I retwisted and which ones I did not. So I'm like, okay, well that's good. That means it came out. Now I do remember, I think one of them being in the front on that first row. If we go back, so let me see if I can find that one. Which, like I said, I can't even tell. I know it was on this first row, but like, you guys, I can't even tell which one it was. So yeah, I did my entire head, and this is just a good method. Like I said, if you have starter locks that have not matured and they are 2-strand twists, I want to say this probably would work well for braid locks as well, but you would just re-braid the ends. I don't feel like I had any significant breakage or tearing. And like I said, my locks still feel good. I think the only concern that I have, and I will talk more with my loctician about this and bring that information back to you, is that, you know, will this slow down the maturing process of my locks? She said it won't, but I just want clarity because, you know, 1 + 1 don't equal 2 for me right now. Because I'm like, even if I had to untwist some of my locks to retwist them up, you sure? I mean, at this point, I just gotta have patience about how long it's gonna take for my locks to mature, because we are 10 months in and the thing still ain't fully mature, and that is okay. So it doesn't really matter as long as eventually they mature. You know what? I'm not even gonna overthink any of this. But yeah, so that is how I have corrected my locks. I'm super excited to continue to bring you content. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe below. Go ahead and subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at DeAvila Sadé. If you have any ideas of what type of videos that you would want to see on my channel, please leave them below. They are so helpful, because when I mean my creative juices are not flowing, because all of my juices are going to my dissertation right now, that I just sometimes get a little brain block of what y'all want to see, and I don't want to be repetitive or boring. So please drop below any ideas you want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.